Hello, everyone, and welcome back to AI Vision Crafts. Today, we have something special for you. We're going to take you behind the scenes to explore the fascinating world of crafting AI-driven videos. If you're curious about how these videos come to life, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future content. Now, let's get started. 1. Conceptualization. Every great video begins with an idea. We start by brainstorming concepts, themes, and messages that we want to convey. In the case of AI-driven videos, this often involves thinking about the unique ways AI can enhance storytelling. 2. Pre-production. Once we have a solid concept, it's time to move into pre-production. This phase involves scripting, storyboarding, and gathering the necessary resources. Clips of writing scripts, sketching storyboards, and preparing equipment. 3. Data gathering. AI-driven videos often rely on large datasets to train the models. We collect and curate data to ensure the AI has the right information to generate content. Clips of data collection process. 4. Model training. Now, here comes the magic. We train the AI models using specialized software and hardware. This step is crucial to ensure the AI understands our vision. Clips of model training process. 5. Content generation. Once the AI is trained, it's time to generate content. This could be text, images, animations, or even voiceovers. The AI brings our ideas to life. Clips of AI generating content. 6. Post-production. After we receive the AI-generated content, it's time to piece it all together. We edit, refine, and add the finishing touches to create a polished video. Clips of video editing. 7. Feedback and iteration. We're not done yet. We review the AI-generated content and make necessary adjustments. Human creativity and AI collaborate to refine the final product. Clips of team discussing and iterating. And there you have it, the intricate process of crafting an AI-driven video. It's a harmonious blend of human creativity and AI technology. If you found this journey fascinating, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at our creative process and other exciting content. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we'll see you in the next video.